What's going on, y'all? Check me out here. So right now I'm in my car, ran a few errands with Cam. We tried to find some things from my office as I'm still trying to bring that together. All right, y'all, got my ace of spade over here, Cam.
I'm back.
And we are on our way to grab some things from my office. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to piece everything together, and he seems to have a good eye for it, so hopefully between the two of us we can figure it out. But this battery's about to die and I don't want it to end on the middle of my statement, so I'll end it myself right here. Y'all, can you see this in the office? Can you see this anywhere other than on the shelf where you grabbed it from, Cam? How much is it?
5 cents.
5 cents too much. Where the heck would this go?
Under the circle. You want small thing, like small accents. Yeah.
I'll pass.
Here we are. She found something.
I found this.
Selfie made.
I found some other items
For
that are in here.
Which we'll see later. So stay tuned.
Right.
In the meanwhile.
Sorry, I'll get distracted when like cars do weird stuff. Anyway, whatever.
And that car is here.
And now that we're back in here, I kind of decided why not unbox the iPhone 8 Plus in red in here, because I mean we got the red interior, kind of ties in with the red theme, you know. So here we go. Let's unbox it. So Apple typically comes out with a red variant of the product to help provide funding for testing, counseling, and treatment for those living with HIV and AIDS. And they also introduced a product red iPhone 10 leather folio case, but we're going to be focusing on the iPhone 8 Plus. So the money that Apple has raised off their product red devices goes to an organization called Red. And since they have partnered with them, they have actually raised like $160 million. And they're actually like Red's largest corporate donor. So yeah, just a little fact as I open this up, but I'm pretty excited. Cam's behind the camera, so we're gonna experience this together with you all. So here we go. Let's see what this red iPhone 8 Plus looks like. All right, so I wonder if it comes with any red accessories. Probably not, but first thing, ooh. So packaging wise, we have the product red, what is this? Info page. I want to tell you about Apple being in partnership with Red, and it's contributing a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund. It's basically everything I said. So this is the paper saying that. You also have your other material that generally comes with it, including the typical white apples that come with it. Why can't these be red? This is already telling me we're not getting red accessories. Red accessories would really set it off. If it's going to be product red, give me product red all the things, you know. All right, before I get to the phone, in the box here though, we got the headphones and we got the wall adapter that we typically get, and we have our charging cable, all which are not red. Because I will say, they at least listened to giving us this black front on the phone, because a lot of people complained about that last year in terms of the product red iPhone that was released. Everybody wanted a black front. They were modifying their phones, like it was pretty crazy. And now they got the black front, so maybe next time we'll get the black accessories. But this red though,
oh my God. Can
on
I
this
touch
glass,
it?
yes.
Oh, this is so pretty.
This is nice. Let me get the, oh my God. You know, this phone is so nice that it's like, even though you have an iPhone 10, it makes you want to use this as your daily driver. Yo, this is gorgeous. I hope they come out with the iPhone 10 red variant, because Jesus, this looks good. This might be the best color on an iPhone 8 Plus right now. It's like perfect. Oh my God, it has like this glossy red, like it looks like a candy apple red.
Yes.
Like you could lick the phone. Like, we're not gonna treat it like the bottom of a sneaker though. It looks like what? Vampire blood red, fire truck red.
Stop sign red.
Oh, stop sign red.
Stop sign red.
Give me that.
Red light red.
Red light red.
Stop light red.
Lava red.
Rock.
Need I go on, y'all? I hope I'm creating some visuals for you all on how red this phone is, but it looks really good. I'm really impressed.
Jolly Rancher red.
Oh, Jolly Rancher. Give me some look on that. Jolly Rancher red. So I will say the phone is the exact same internally and everything. Like there's nothing different about this other than the color. But it's still almost somewhat like starts to revive the phone a little bit, because I feel like when the iPhone 8 lineup came out, it got a lot of attention, but it was kind of hard for it to really shine going up against the iPhone 10. And it's like the iPhone 8 was cool for a while, and it still is, don't get me wrong, but when the iPhone 10 came out, everybody was focused on that. And I think this kind of brings some of that attention back to the iPhone 8 lineup, because right now it's the only one of the latest phones that have been released that is offered in red. But if they release this in a red in a 10, it's over. It's game time. It's done. But I just wanted to unbox it and share my experience in terms of what I think of the red colorway with you all. But let me know down below in the comments section, what color would you like to see on an iPhone or a phone period? Because I feel like with the 5C, I was talking with Cam about this earlier, they had different colors and everything, and it was cool, but it looked a little kiddish to me. So I don't know, I think I would want to see, I would love to see, I mean, red is one of my favorite colors, so now that we have the red iPhone, I'm content. I just want to see this in the 10, but I know I keep saying that. But I will say, outside of that, a color I would love to see offered is an olive green. Like matte green?
Matte olive green.
Matte olive green? Ooh. Can y'all see that? Anyway, let me know down below in the comments section what color you would want to see on a phone. And yeah, that's gonna sum this one up. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.